Hi guys, if you're new here, my name is Stephanie, and for the others, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is gonna be a first impression with all the makeup that I bought on my last Sephora VIB sale. So I bought some new stuff that I'm gonna show you, so it's gonna be like a first impression in an all. Yeah. So before to jump into the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already, to put the thumbs up if you like this type of video. Also, don't forget to follow me on my social media, so Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and Snapchat. Yeah, so without further ado, let's jump into this. So today's look's gonna be a little bit more simple because, yeah, I want to use my new liquid lipstick. So I'm gonna use my 35M Boss Mode palette, but I'm not gonna use the green shade because my liquid lips is the red, so I don't want to look like Christmas on my face. So I'm just gonna go with the brown shade. So I'm thinking about a brown smoky eyes. So I'm just gonna use my new palette, and I'm also gonna use my new Jouer Longwear lip cream in the shade Fraise Bonbon. I also bought the new Jouer Eye Coverage liquid concealer. And the last two things that I bought is the glow stick by the brand Sephora. So it's like a wet look on the cheek, so I cannot wait to try this. And I also bought the Morphe, because like I said in my last video, we have Morphe in Sephora here in Canada. So I bought the Morphe M510. So I'm gonna first start with my brows. So I just did my eyebrows, and I primed my eyes with my Fit Me concealer. Nothing too special. So now I'm gonna jump into my eyeshadow. So it's super cool to have the name on this paper sheet. So first I'm gonna take my Fenty bronzer. So this is the shade Biz. So I know the lighting might be changing a little bit because the sun keep playing me, but yeah. So now I'm gonna go with the shade Play It Cool. So this shade right here. So it's a little bit darker, and it had a little bit of green in it. So now it's gonna be a little bit more chaotic because my son is with me, and he just loves to not be so much gentle with my stuff. He's a boy, so yeah. So now I'm gonna go with a little bit more smaller brush, so a little bit like this one. So this is a Morphe M441, and I'm just gonna pick Peachy Keen, this one. Just put this in my crease and all over my lids too. So now I'm gonna go with the shade Sparks Fly. Sorry, I just butchered all the name. Maybe with something a little bit more fluffy, because right now it's I'm just gonna put this on my lid and blend in my crease this shade. I just don't know why it grabs eyeshadow right there but not blend at all. Maybe it's because I didn't set my concealer and this palette needs to. Or maybe it's because I put this with a more dense brush and it just, because it doesn't want to blend at all. Because, yeah, here too, it's grabbed a little bit of patchiness. Maybe this palette needs a base to be set. I will retry this shade at least and see if this was the case or if it's just the shade that's. So for a more glitter shade, I'm gonna put, sorry, I need to look at my son. a lot because when it's silent, something happened. So I'm gonna put the shade Hot Stuff. So the bronzy shade right here. So I'm gonna put this with my MAC 242 brush. So I don't know if I need to wet this, but I don't want to have something super intense. I just want to have a like a washout of glitter, you know. The Morphe glittery shade are all so beautiful. Everything that I use in the past, I don't have anything else to say that they work so well. They are so pigmented, and I didn't wet the brush at all right now, so, and it looks bomb. Nate, be careful please. And I'm gonna put a little bit more of a darker shade. So a little bit of black, but just a tiny bit. This black is super pigmented because I barely touch my eyeshadow and I barely touch my eyes, and yeah, it's there. So you have to be super careful if you use this black and you just want to have a touch of black. I'm gonna go with the rest of my face. First thing first, I'm gonna go with the Tatcha, the Silk Canvas. So I saw Makeup by Sheila apply this with a brush. So I'm gonna try this. So I'm gonna put this with this brush. I look so bougie right now doing this. Oh shit, that works. I hate when something so expensive works. So now I'm gonna prime my under eyes with this Becca Under Eyes Brightening Corrector. I don't know if I need to use a brush or my hands. So it's super red because it's super tacky, but oh my gosh, this, can you see this? This work. This one, it's the one with the eyes brightening, and this didn't have it. Look at this. Wow. So if you have dark circle like mine and you don't love to pack on concealer, just go buy this stuff because I don't apply a lot and everything disappears. This blow my mind. Like, why everyone doesn't talk about this? This is gonna be my favorite product of the year. Wow. Oh my god. Wow, I'm impressed right now. Impressed. So I'm gonna use my CoverGirl Vitalist Elixir mixing with my infallible 24-hour foundation. Filming with my son, it's like playing a sport. It's freaking exhausting. So now I'm gonna use my new concealer. So this is the Jouer Concealer, and I hope this color is gonna work. I'm gonna take the Fit Me concealer to put all around my face, and I'm gonna mix a little bit with the Jouer one because it's a little bit dark. And I love my under eyes to be super bright. Oh, I didn't say the shade. The shade of this is Custard. So now I'm gonna set my under eyes with my Maybelline Powder. I love the concealer. It's creased a little bit, but it doesn't crease. And it's not looking that, like, I don't know how to say this, but it's looking super, yeah, it's full coverage for sure, but it's not looking that cakey or makeup-y, and I love that. And yeah, I don't know if it's the concealer or if it's the Becca Under Eyes Primer, but my dark circles doesn't look that bad at all. So yeah, so I just finished my under eyes and I just put two shades under my eyes. So I put Sparkfly and Play It Cool, and I just put Falsy on. So now I'm gonna use my new Fenty bronzer with my Morphe M527. So I'm just gonna put this all around on my face. Oh my gosh, this bronzer, guys, you need one. And it's blend like a dream. So I'm gonna go with this Melanie Romantic Rose blush. I love this blush so much. So I only bought this one from Sephora, but I'm not sure if it's gonna look super cakey on my face. No! The highlight is all in the cap. Why? Oh, it's so greasy. I'm not gonna put this on my face today. I'm just gonna put a little bit of this Wet n Wild loose highlights. So this is in the shade I'm So Lit. I'm gonna try this liquid lipstick. So first I'm gonna line my lips, because you know me, if I don't line my lips, it's gonna look like a hot mess. And I'm gonna apply this. This is a little bit more smaller than usual, so it's hard to grab in your hands. I know it sounds stupid, but yeah. So it's like a moussey texture. It's not super liquidy, so this is a good thing, because that way it's not gonna be super drying. And I love the shade. I doesn't feel anything on my lips right now. It's, oh gosh, this looks so gorgeous, and it looks like I have velvet on my lips. Oh wow. Oh, I need more of this. The only thing that I miss right now is my lips, but right now I'm gonna go eat. I'm just gonna do a quick recap with all my product that I used today. So first was my Morphe palette. So I love the palettes very much, and I can't wait to play with more the green and the plum and everything, because right now I only have the brown. It's a pretty good palette. The only downside is the patchiness of the more darker shade, but I want to see if it's because I didn't set my eyes, or if it's because I take a more dense brush, or what's happened. So I'm gonna reuse this shade and see if it's me or if it's the palette that doesn't look good. The Tatcha, the Tatcha Silk Canvas. I love this stuff so much. My pores just doesn't look there, and I have pretty big pores. So yeah, that's very good. It's just very pricey, so I need to find something to do this, because it's pricey a lot. My Becca Under Eyes Primer. This stuff works so freaking good. This will be my most favorite thing of this year, I know, because I have pretty dark circle, and even if I put a very high coverage concealer, I always see them. This is my concealer. I love it so much. It's covered a lot for sure, and also it doesn't look cakey at all. So yeah, I love this one. I think this one's gonna look good also on more drier skin, because it doesn't look super matte powdery under my eyes right now. After that, my Fenty bronzer. This, can I say more? This looks like everything. This looks so beautiful, and I freaking love it. So I don't have anything else to say beside I love you guys, and I will see you soon. Bye. My microphone was off. Damn it. Sponge and gosh, that hurts. That hurts. Today is not my